How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block anyone on TikTok and then go within the TikTok app, view the list of people you've blocked on TikTok, so then you can unblock anyone you want. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone. And then all we need to do is navigate to the profile of the person that we want to block. So if you're viewing any videos, simply select their profile icon to load their profile. And then from here, all we need to do is select the three dots in the top right of their profile. Then as you can see in this menu at the bottom, we can select block. It's going to give us a quick warning just letting us know what this means, that they will not be able to send us messages, see our post, and find our profile. And they will also not be notified that we've blocked them. So go ahead and confirm that you want to block this person. And then this is what it will look like. So now we can unblock them by simply going back to their profile and selecting unblock. But if you don't remember their name, the best way to do it is from your profile. So navigate to your TikTok profile by selecting profile in the bottom right. Then we just need to open the menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app and select settings and privacy. Once in settings and privacy, select privacy. And then we just need to scroll all the way down and you'll see blocked accounts. Go ahead and select blocked accounts. And there you go. You'll be able to see all the accounts that you've blocked on TikTok. And to unblock them, all you need to do is select unblock. And then that account is no longer blocked on TikTok. All right, so that's how you block and unblock someone on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.